Evergreen Rainforest, the lungs of the earth. The evergreen rainforest is one of the most vibrant and mysterious ecosystems on Earth. These dense, moisture-rich forests, often called the lungs of the planet, are home to towering trees, exotic plants, and an incredible variety of wildlife. Rainforests cover only about 6% of the Earth's surface, yet they support more than half of the world's plant and animal species. In these lush landscapes, every living creature plays a vital role. Pollinators like bees and butterflies help flowers reproduce, while animals such as monkeys and birds spread seeds, ensuring the forest's growth and regeneration. The complex web of life here maintains a delicate balance, where even the smallest organisms contribute to the ecosystem's health. However, human activities are rapidly destroying these precious forests. Deforestation for agriculture, logging, and urban expansion threatens countless species and disrupts global climate patterns. Rainforests absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide, and their destruction accelerates climate change, putting the entire planet at risk. To protect our future, we must act now. Reducing deforestation, supporting reforestation, and adopting sustainable practices can help preserve these vital ecosystems. Saving the rainforest means safeguarding biodiversity, stabilizing the climate, and ensuring a healthier planet for generations to come. Let's work together to protect this irreplaceable natural wonder.